mate. You're good. Yeah. You got a fucking lap. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the vlog. It's a beautiful sunny day here and we are at Driftland, but winter is definitely here because the roads are disgusting, as you can see from the focus here. And also I lost one of my washer jet covers. Done a bit of research. This is a common fault in these cars, so we're going to have to get that fixed shortly because that doesn't look good. But anyway, we're going to head over. It's the KDKustoms Winter Battle Matsuri this weekend. Did I lock that? I did not. Right, we're locked it now. But anyway, we're going to go ahead, get over, speak to the guys in Driftland, see what's happening, because this event looks fucking sick. Another ST sitting there, quite nice, on some RS alloys, looks good. So we've came in, we've had a wee bit of look about to go out in Neil's lovely pink E36. See what this is all about. So from what I've experienced so far, this event is nuts. We're back at the car right now because it's going to be lunch just shortly. Sorry if I'm squinting, the sun is in my eyes. But yeah, we're going to have a wee break. But yeah, I think everyone that was in the proximity queue yesterday is going into the intermediate queue, and it's just getting the intermediate queue just being mental now. So, but for now, we're going to have a break, get something to eat, and just chill out. Jump out in the car with Ross and his wee compact. We're going to do following Neil in the pink one we were in earlier. Hopefully get some sick footage, twin runs. Anyway, awesome. day today is over. They're still drifting, but they're going to be finished in the next 10 minutes or so. And I said, I need to go see my mama for her birthday. So, yeah, thank you. Thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. That is insane. But yeah, let's keep it going. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more stuff like this. I hope this video came out as good as I hope it is going to. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out and bye.